Welcome to this bonus module where we're going to provide you with a comprehensive toolkit of resources, services, and tools that will support your rebuilt car buying journey. Think of this as your reference guide, the module you'll come back to when you need specific information or want to refresh your knowledge on particular services. By the end of this module, you'll have a clear roadmap of where to find professional inspection services, how to research vehicle values and history, what tools can help you evaluate cars more effectively, and where to access the most current information about rebuilt car regulations in your state. Let's start with professional inspection services, which can be one of your most valuable tools. Professional Inspection Services Directory. Professional vehicle inspections can be worth their weight in gold when you're considering a rebuilt car purchase. Here are the major national services and what they offer. National Services SGS Automotive Services operates in most major metropolitan areas across the United States. They offer comprehensive pre-purchase inspections specifically designed for rebuilt vehicles. Their inspectors are trained to identify signs of poor repair work, hidden damage, and safety issues. Typical costs range from $150 to $300 depending on the level of inspection. Automotive Test Solutions provides detailed inspections with written reports and photographic documentation. They're particularly strong in evaluating flood damage and electrical system integrity. They operate in over 40 states and can often accommodate inspections within 24 to 48 hours. Pre-Purchase Auto Inspections LLC specializes in used and rebuilt vehicles. They offer different service levels from basic safety inspections to comprehensive evaluations that include frame measurements and paint thickness analysis. They're especially valuable for high-value vehicle purchases. AutoTech IQ provides both in-person and remote consultation services. While they can't physically inspect vehicles remotely, they can review photos, documentation, and help you understand what questions to ask sellers. Regional and specialty services. Many areas have local inspection services that specialize in rebuilt vehicles. Search for pre-purchase auto inspection plus rebuilt title in your area to find local experts. Some mechanics who work frequently with rebuilt cars offer inspection services. These can be particularly valuable because they understand both the technical aspects and the local market conditions. Collision repair shops sometimes provide assessment services for rebuilt vehicles, especially if they specialize in similar damage types. Vehicle history and research tools. Understanding a vehicle's complete history is crucial for rebuilt car purchases. Here are the most reliable sources for this information. VIN-based research services. Carfax remains the most widely recognized vehicle history service. For rebuilt cars, pay particular attention to the total loss date, the rebuilding timeline, and any subsequent issues. Carfax reports often show when vehicles received rebuilt titles and can help you understand the timing of repairs. AutoCheck, owned by Experian, sometimes provides different information than Carfax. Running both reports can give you a more complete picture, especially for vehicles with complex histories. VineCheck Pro offers detailed reports that focus specifically on title issues, which can be particularly valuable for rebuilt car research. Government resources, the National Motor Vehicle. Title Information System provides official title information directly from state motor vehicle departments. This is particularly useful for verifying that rebuilt titles are legitimate and haven't been altered. Individual state motor vehicle department websites often provide title verification services. If you're buying from out of state, these resources can help verify title authenticity. Insurance and claims databases. ISO Claim Search provides information about insurance claims history, which can help you understand the original damage that led to the rebuilt title. Some insurance companies provide claim history information directly to potential buyers, especially for newer vehicles. Market value research tools. Determining fair market value for rebuilt cars requires specialized tools and approaches, since standard guides focus on clean title vehicles. Traditional value guides. Kelley Blue Book now includes some rebuilt title value information, though coverage is limited. Use their clean title values as a starting point, then apply appropriate discounts. Edmunds provides market analysis tools that can help you understand regional price variations for specific vehicle types. NADA guides are particularly useful for older vehicles and can provide baseline values for calculating rebuilt title discounts. Rebuilt specific resources. Copart and IAA auction results can show you what rebuilt vehicles are actually selling for at wholesale levels. This information helps establish minimum value baselines. AutoTrader and Cars.com allow you to search specifically for rebuilt title vehicles, giving you real-world pricing data for similar cars in your area. Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist can provide local market pricing information, though you need to verify that advertised vehicles are actually rebuilt title cars. Professional appraisal services, ASA and ASI certified appraisers, can provide formal valuations for rebuilt vehicles, particularly valuable for high-end or specialty cars. Some independent appraisers specialize in damaged and rebuilt vehicles and can provide more accurate valuations than general appraisers. State-specific title information. Title procedures and requirements vary significantly by state. Here's how to find the most current information for your area. Official state resources. Every state motor vehicle department maintains websites with current title procedures and requirements. Search for your state name plus motor vehicle department plus rebuilt title to find specific information. Most states provide downloadable forms and step-by-step procedures for title transfers and rebuilt title applications. State-specific inspection requirements are usually detailed on motor vehicle department websites, including where inspections can be performed and what they cover. Interstate considerations. If you're buying from out of state, both the selling state and your home state requirements matter. Some states have reciprocity agreements that simplify the process, while others require additional inspections or documentation. The American Association of Motor Vehicle Administrators provides general information about interstate title transfers, though specific requirements vary by state. Legal requirements. State Attorney General websites often provide information about disclosure requirements for rebuilt vehicle sales, which is important whether you're buying or selling. Consumer protection agencies in each state can provide information about your rights as a rebuilt car buyer and what recourse you have if problems arise. Recommended tools and equipment. Having the right tools can significantly improve your ability to evaluate rebuilt cars effectively. Basic inspection tools. A good flashlight or headlamp is essential for inspecting undercarriages, engine bays, and interior areas in detail. A magnet can help you identify body filler or fiberglass repairs that might indicate poor quality work. Paint thickness gauges, while more expensive, can reveal bodywork that might not be visible to casual inspection. A basic OBD2 scanner can help you check for error codes that might not trigger dashboard warning lights. Documentation tools. A smartphone with a good camera is essential for documenting vehicle condition and creating records for future reference. Voice recording apps can help you document conversations with sellers, especially regarding vehicle history and condition claims. Note-taking apps or simple notebooks help you track information about multiple vehicles you're considering. Measurement tools. A tape measure can help you check panel gaps and alignment issues that might indicate poor repair work. Digital calipers can provide precise measurements for bolt sizes and component specifications if you're concerned about non-OEM parts. Financing and insurance resources. Finding the right financing and insurance for rebuilt cars requires knowing which providers are most accommodating. Financing options. Credit unions are generally more flexible with rebuilt car financing than traditional banks. The National Credit Union Administration website can help you find credit unions in your area. Online lenders like Lightstream, Capital One Auto Finance, and others sometimes offer competitive rates for rebuilt vehicles. Some specialty lenders focus specifically on non-standard vehicles, including rebuilt cars, though rates may be higher. Insurance resources. Progressive, GEICO, and State Farm generally insure rebuilt vehicles without significant premium increases. The Independent Insurance Agents and Brokers of America can help you find local agents who specialize in hard-to-insure vehicles. Some specialty insurance companies focus on modified, rebuilt, and non-standard vehicles. Continuing education resources. The rebuilt car market continues to evolve, and staying informed helps you make better decisions over time. Online communities, Reddit communities like r Ask Car Sales and r Mechanic Advice often discuss rebuilt car issues and can provide current market insights. Facebook groups dedicated to specific car brands often include members with rebuilt vehicle experience. Automotive forums frequently have sections dedicated to buying advice and rebuilt vehicle discussions. Professional resources. The Society of Automotive Engineers publishes technical information about repair standards and procedures. ASE, Automotive Service Excellence, provides information about proper repair procedures and can help you evaluate the quality of rebuild work. Industry publications and automotive news and similar publications sometimes cover trends in the rebuilt vehicle market. Insurance industry publications can provide insights into how total loss determinations and rebuilt title procedures are evolving. Mobile apps and digital tools. Several smartphone apps can assist with rebuilt car evaluation and research. VIN scanning apps. VIN scanner apps can quickly pull up basic vehicle information and some history data using your phone's camera. Value research apps, KBB and Edmunds mobile apps provide quick access to value information while you're shopping. Inspection apps. Some apps provide checklists and documentation tools specifically designed for used car inspections. Updated resource recommendations. As the digital landscape evolves, new tools and resources become available. Here are some emerging options to consider. AI-powered analysis tools. Some newer services use artificial intelligence to analyze photos of vehicle damage and predict repair quality. Blockchain verification. Emerging blockchain-based title verification systems may provide additional security against title fraud. Virtual inspection services. Some companies now offer virtual inspection services using high-quality video calls and detailed photo submission protocols. Keeping your resource list current. The landscape of rebuilt car resources changes over time, so it's important to keep your information current. Bookmark the websites and services you find most valuable and check them periodically for updates. Subscribe to automotive industry newsletters that cover used car markets and rebuilt vehicle trends. Network with other rebuilt car owners to learn about new resources and services they've discovered. Module wrap-up. The resources and tools covered in this module will serve you throughout your rebuilt car buying journey. From professional inspections to value research to state-specific requirements, having access to quality information and services makes the difference between successful purchases and costly mistakes. Remember that the best resource is often local knowledge. Building relationships with mechanics, rebuilders, and other rebuilt car owners in your area can provide insights that no online tool can match. Keep this module as a reference guide and don't hesitate to return to it whenever you need specific information or want to explore new tools and services.